Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tech TV, and this time I will teach you how to delete your YouTube channel on mobile phones. First, go to your YouTube app. Tap the profile icon, there will be a menu popped out. Tap Manage your Google account. You will be redirected to the Google account main page. Go to the Data and Privacy page. Keep scrolling down until you can find Delete a Google service. Tap Delete a Google service. Then enter the password of your Google account. Tap Next to continue. Tap the rubbish bin icon near YouTube. Then enter the password of your Google account again. Tap Next to continue. Tap I want to permanently delete my content. Confirm all the boxes. Then tap Delete my content to continue. Enter the email address for confirmation. Tap Delete my content again. All done. Subscribe for more tutorials. Goodbye.